Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we have a very special guest with us, Alex, a maintenance management and IoT expert. Alex, it's great to have you here.
Thanks, Bruce. It's great to be here. I'm excited to talk about Kaizen strategies for safety management today.
Absolutely, it's a crucial topic. So, let's dive right in. For our listeners who might not be familiar, can you explain what Kaizen is and how it applies to safety management?
Sure, Bruce. Kaizen is a Japanese term that means continuous improvement. It's a philosophy that focuses on making small, incremental changes to processes in order to improve efficiency, quality, and safety. In the context of safety management, Kaizen involves everyone in the organization, from top management to frontline workers, in identifying and implementing improvements to create a safer work environment.
That's interesting. How does this continuous improvement process actually work in practice?
It starts with identifying areas that need improvement. This could be done through safety audits, incident reports, or employee feedback. Once a problem area is identified, a cross-functional team is formed to brainstorm solutions. These solutions are then tested on a small scale, and if they're effective, they are implemented more widely. The key is to involve everyone and make safety a shared responsibility.
Involving everyone sounds like a great approach. Can you share some specific Kaizen strategies that have been effective in safety management?
Definitely. One effective strategy is the 5S methodology, which stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This helps to create a clean, organized, and efficient workplace, which reduces the risk of accidents. Another strategy is the use of safety gemba walks, where managers and safety professionals regularly walk through the workplace to observe and identify potential hazards.
5S and gemba walks sound like practical steps. How do these strategies tie into the larger picture of continuous improvement?
They are foundational elements. 5S helps to establish a baseline of cleanliness and organization, which is essential for any improvement initiative. Gemba walks keep the focus on real-world conditions and ensure that safety improvements are based on actual observations. Together, they foster a culture of continuous improvement where employees are always looking for ways to make the workplace safer.
Creating a culture of continuous improvement is essential. How can organizations ensure that this culture is maintained over time?
It starts with leadership commitment. Leaders need to consistently demonstrate their commitment to safety and continuous improvement. This includes providing the necessary resources and training, recognizing and rewarding employees who contribute to safety improvements, and continuously communicating the importance of safety. Additionally, involving employees in safety committees and giving them a voice in decision-making can help to sustain the Kaizen culture.
Those are great points, Alex. Before we wrap up, do you have any final tips for our listeners on implementing Kaizen strategies for safety management?
Yes, I'd say start small and be consistent. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. Focus on one area, implement changes, measure the results, and then move on to the next area. And remember, Kaizen is about continuous improvement, so always be on the lookout for ways to make things better. Engage your team, celebrate successes, and learn from failures. It's a journey, not a destination.
Thank you, Alex, for sharing your insights on Kaizen strategies for safety management. It's been a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you, Bruce. It's been great to be here.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to another episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. Stay safe and keep improving.